assistant of Gold Gem. How can I help you?
Yeah, I wanted to ask what is the price of a membership.
Of course. The membership for 1 month costs $40. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I wanted to attend my free class.
Sure, I can help you with that. First, I will need some small data from you. What is your full name? Great, James Williams. Now, which day of the week do you want to attend the class? Just a reminder, we don't have classes on Sundays.
Probably on Wednesday.
Awesome. And which hour would you prefer, 16 or 19?
And here you can see the SMS. What you have just seen is an AI voice receptionist for gyms. And is that we don't usually talk a lot about in my channel, but today is important to see and to explain how important the AI voice agents can also be to the gyms owners. We're gonna automate the process of receiving calls to manage all the questions and also to be able to register the people, the new people inside the classes. So yeah, let's go into the build. Here we are in Vapi to start today this video of building AI voice receptionist, in this case for a gym. Okay, so now we're gonna click on assistants. We're gonna create a new assistant, and it's gonna be a voice receptionist for gyms. Let's click on create assistant. There you go. And we are gonna start firstly with the settings. Prior, we're gonna leave it in OpenAI. In model, we're gonna change it to 4.0 mini. Knowledge base, we're not gonna add anything. Temperature, we're gonna leave it in 0.2. Let's publish meanwhile. Nextly, we're gonna go to transcriber. Deep Run English, perfect. No attributes, also perfect. Voice, we're gonna go with 11 labs. And here we can choose, for example, Chris to change a bit. Model, let's go with B25. Tools, well, we will be creating them later. And inside advanced, we are only need the tool calls, which is what we are gonna add actually here. Let's publish again and let's go to create a tool. Tools, new tool. Once here, we're gonna add the server URL of a normal webhook from make. Let's go into make. So here we are in make, in which what we are gonna do is log in at first. Once inside, we are gonna create a new scenario. We are gonna search for a webhook. There you go. And create a custom webhook. Remember to name the scenario as you want. For example, I'm gonna name it, in this case, receptionist gyms. And I'm gonna create a new webhook. I'm gonna call it receptionist gyms, and I'm gonna save it. Perfect. So once here, we're gonna copy this and we're gonna bring it here. Time and second, I don't like it a lot, so maybe we're gonna leave it in 5, which will be okay. And let's gonna save it on this part. We'll go with the next part here. We'll add 3 properties. In this case, it will be the full name, the day that a possible lead wants to go to use their free day inside a gym class, and finally we will also add the award name. The first one is gonna be full name, and we're gonna put full name of the user inside the phone call. Let's go with the next one, day of free class, the day in which the user wants to attend free class. For example, I'll put Monday, and we're gonna add another one, which is gonna be hour of the class. The hour in which the user wants to attend the class, it can only be 16 or 19, 4 p.m. or 7 p.m. Example output, 7 p.m. We save, and we're gonna click next. The name of the tool is gonna be free class, and the description, the information of the user needed to add him into his free class. We will need his full name, the day he wants to attend it, and whether he wants to attend it at 16, 4 p.m. or 19, 7 p.m. Let's click on next, and we are gonna create it. Once we have created the tool, we are gonna come into assistants, and we are gonna go to our AI voice receptionist 1 for gyms. Here we're gonna go into our functions, and we are gonna select free class here, and we're gonna publish it. Once we have published it, we are gonna come back into model, and we are gonna put here the prompt which I have already created. There you go. And we are gonna put inside first message this message I have here. There you go. And we're gonna publish it again. Now we're gonna go to create the CRM, in which we're gonna have all the names of all the free classes that the members can go and can attend inside the gym. We are gonna pretend that inside our gym we have 2 classes free per day, one at 4 p.m. and another at 7 p.m. and the user will be able to choose either of them. So that's why I've come to Google Sheets, in where we are gonna create our CRM, and we're gonna put several sheets as these were the weeks. Okay, so this one will be week 1, this one will be week 2, and this one will be week 3. In this case, once the week 1 will be finished, we will proceed to go to week 2, and inside each week we are gonna put each day with the 2 hours in which we are gonna have the free classes at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. in each day until Sunday, in which we will not be opening the gym. We are gonna go back into make.com, and here we are gonna do the scenario in which when the information of the call is received when the user asks for a free class, we are gonna classify it and we're gonna integrate it in each column depending on when the user said that he wanted. We're gonna do a test to see how this works and to be able to then continue with the information of the scenario. We're gonna add is a router in which we're gonna separate the days in which the client or the user is gonna be able to choose to attend the class, and after this router we're gonna add another router in each day to decide which of the 2 hours he's gonna choose. So we're gonna create 6 routes. There you go. In which each one is gonna be, in this case, Monday. And let's go tool calls function arguments day of the class, and it's gonna be equal to Monday. We're gonna do the same here but with Tuesday. There you go, tool calls function arguments day of the class equal to Tuesday. We're gonna continue with it in its path. Once we have finished that, we're gonna continue and we're gonna add another router here in each one of the paths. So flow control router on each one. After doing this, we're gonna separate each path of each day by the hours. So in this case, in Monday, we're gonna go with this one at 4 p.m., which is gonna be tool calls function arguments hour of the class equal to 4 p.m. Let's do the same here, but with 7 p.m. Tool calls function arguments hour of the class 7 p.m. And we're gonna do the same exactly for every day. Once done, we are gonna add the next module, in which is gonna be a Google Sheets at a row. We're gonna basically select our file. Once done, we're gonna go with our week 1. And as we are in Monday, we are gonna add it here. So we will go here and we will add the full name of the user. And we are gonna do exactly the same, but in this case for each hour, changing it and adapting it. Finally, we are gonna include an SMS that we are gonna send to the user to inform him that he has been registered and inserted in the list of the class. So let's go into Twilio into create a message, and we are gonna put it to, in this case, customer number, and message value, let's create a body, and we are gonna put, hey name, you have been registered for the class of day of the class at hour of the class. See you then, call gym. Now what we're gonna do is basically clone this, and we're gonna be adding it to it, as we don't need to change anymore because it's gonna be the same for everyone. Once done, what we are gonna proceed to do is to test this scenario and see how this AI Voice Receptionist for gyms works. Let's go. So I'm gonna call the number. There you go.
Hey there, this is the assistant of Gold Gym. How can I help you?
Yeah, I wanted to ask what is the price of a membership?
Of course. The membership for 1 month costs $40. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I wanted to attend my free class.
Sure, I can help you with that. For the registration, I will need some small data from you. What is your full name?
Paul Williams.
Great, Paul. Now, which day of the week do you want to attend the class? Just a reminder, we don't have classes on Sundays.
Well, probably on Wednesday.
Perfect. And which hour would you prefer, 16 or 19?
Probably 19.
Just a sec. Fantastic, Paul. You will be registered for the class on Wednesday at 19. Thank you for calling Gold Gym and have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. So, as you can see, I've received here my SMS. There you go. Hey Paul Williams, you have been registered. And if we go also to here into the free classes gym, we're gonna see how in Wednesday at 7 p.m. we are gonna have included Paul Williams for the class, and here we're gonna be building the list for each class. As you can see here, it has been executed correctly and it has passed the filter correctly. So guys, this has been all for the video. I hope you've enjoyed and you've learned how to build this AI voice receptionist, in this case for gyms. It's a niche that we usually don't touch, but as you can see, it's a niche that can really take advantage of all of this opportunity of AI voice. For example, AI voice cold calling, or AI voice, for example, testimonial system, all types of AI voice agents. So again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.